let's start with chapter number 3, editing in Word 2016. So in this chapter, we will study about editing text, undo and redo, and how to copy the paste, copy, cut, copy and paste the commands. And then now let's study with MS Word to create a document. So the Word is one of the most popular word processing program. It includes in the Microsoft Office suite, which is used for creating, formatting, editing, and saving documents. What it provides various features such as inserting, formatting, and deleting the text in different commands. So editing text. To make changes in the document. When you want to make changes in a document, it is called editing. And main component is inserting the text, deleting the text, and making changes to the text. So it can be error-free, easy to understand, and presentable. So then we have selecting a text. Selecting a text is probably the most common task in the world. There are so many ways to every task begins by selecting something. For example, to change the font size, style, color of the text, first of all, what do we do? When you have to change the color, size in text, so what you will do, first of all, we will select the text, right? Now we can select the following in different way. Follow the below steps to select the text with the mouse. Click at the beginning of the text to select, then hold down the left mouse button and then you have to drag it. Keep dragging till the end of the text and release the mouse button. So the highlight text we see in the selected text. Then we have bring the cursor. Now you have to, what you have to do, you have to bring the cursor to the beginning of the text and then you will select it. Then hold down the shift key and you have to move the cursor using the arrow key so that your complete text must be selected. Now finally release the shift key when required the text has been selected. The highlighted text we see in the selected text. Now inserting the text in a document. So we can easily do it for how? Overtype mode. The mode replaces the old text. What will happen in this? The old text will be represented with the new text as you type. It is called overwrite mode. Then we have insert mode that does not replace old text with the new text. It shifts the old text towards the right as we type. Now first of all, what you have to do, you have to open the document, click on the location where you want to add the text to bring the cursor there, right? Then type the text we want to insert. The words to the right of the new text move forward. Now, deleting the text. Now, how you will delete? Now, you will open the document, select the text, whatever text you want to delete, right? And press the delete key to remove the text. The text disappear. Next, we have undo and redo command. What is undo and redo command? The undo command present on the quick access toolbar in Word 2016, undergo anything. So, it reverses the action. In this, we include formatting text. We have moving blocks, typing and deleting text. It is a useful command which we can perform an incorrect action by mistake. It can be used as many times as we want so that to reverse the last action, click on the undo button. We can also press Ctrl plus Z key. The redo command is also present on the quick access toolbar. In this, it is used to reverse the action of the undo command. Right? It can be used only when we have use the undo command. To use this command, click on the redo button, right? And we can also press Ctrl plus Y to redo this action. So then we have cut, copy and paste. You can cut it, you can copy. Now, how we will start? The text in the document can be moved or copied from one location to another. Within a document, for moving and cutting a text, copying a text, it is done by cut, copy, paste. So, the cut, copy, paste command, they can be seen on the clipboard group in the home tab. Cut command, moving a text means text disappear from its original location and appears to the another location where it is pasted. So cut command is used when we want to cut the selected text, right? And we can paste it. Now copy command, it's remain its original position and you can copy it and you can take it to the another position. It is called copy command. Then we have paste command. Whatever you have copied or you have cut, you can paste wherever you want to paste it. So suppose we have to type sentence Kashmir, paradise or not. Now we want to move paradise and the end of the sentence. So you can do it with the paste option. Next, follow the given steps to understand this. Select the word paradise on the Click on cut button from the home tab. Click at the beginning of the sentence. That is Kashmir. Now press the space bar key, and what you will do? You will click on the paste button and your Kashmir will be pasted over. Now formatting text. To create an eye-catching document, Word 2016 can change your document fresh look. So we can change the appearance of the document to make it stand out. Making changes in the text or document, it could look more attractive and beautiful, right? They are used in both italic, underline and bold. Like this is a different, this is font size, this is font, bold, italic, underline, subscript, text effect, change case, font color. These are the justify, right align, center align and left align. Next is changing the font of the text. Now you want to change the font. So how you will change it? Now click on Home tab, click on the drop down font style. Here the different style is shown to you. By this you can change the font style. Next is changing the size. Now you want to change the size, you want to make it big in size. So select the text that we want to change, click on Home tab, drop down arrow of the font size will be appear and you can use it. Next is changing the color. So for that you have to use, we want to emphasize a particular word or phrase. So select the text that we want to change, whatever text you want to change you can select. Click on Home tab, click on drop down arrow and you can choose the desired color from the color palette. Now changing text to bold, italic and underline. So bold, italic, underline commands are used to draw attention of the important words or phrase. Here are the steps, like we have select the text that we want to format. Click on Home tab. Then you can use bold, italic, underline. The text will be modified. Next is highlighting the text. It's come with digital highlighter that helps us to mark up and colorize the text in your document. It's what it's do. It's highlight the attentions of the people. Then click on Home tab, highlight color button, click on the desired color and the mouse pointer changes when it comes over the document. So select the each area of the text. Whatever text you want to highlight, you will select it, right? And then when we have finished, highlight the text and press ESC key. And your text will be highlighted over there. Now text alignment, a paragraph formatting attribute that determines the appearance of the text in whole paras. It tells about the left aligned text, right aligned text, center text or justified text, which is evenly along the text in alignment. For example, in a paragraph that is left aligned, and follow the steps, select the text you want to align, click on align option, paragraph group, and then the text will be selected and your document will be aligned like this. This was all in this chapter. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.